Dreaming of that elusive $10,000 figure can feel like chasing a distant star, especially when you are stuck in the daily grind of conventional job. The average American's monthly earnings, averaging just $3,714, often leave you wondering if financial security and personal fulfillment are mere fantasies. But fear not. In this digital age, where financial freedom and the lifestyle you desire are more within reach than ever, we are here to guide you on a path of financial transformation. Today, you will find 7 proven, legitimate methods to turn your dreams into reality. Each strategy we've carefully selected is designed to resonate with your unique skills, passions, and ambitions. We understand the frustration, the longing, and the sheer determination you feel to break free from financial constraints. That's why our mission is to empower you, offering a range of opportunities that cater to different life circumstances and preferences. Together, we will navigate the world of income generation, helping you find not just one, but several paths that speak directly to your heart and situation. It's time to break free from the limitations of a modest income, embark on a journey of growth, and unlock the doors to your dreams. Let's dive in and discover how to make $10,000 per month, not just a financial goal, but a tangible reality that brings joy, fulfillment, and peace to your life. First way is high-ticket closing, a lucrative sales opportunity. Not everyone is born with the gift of gab and the ability to charm their way into a sale, but for those who possess a natural knack for selling and passion for persuasion, the role of a high-ticket closer offers a potentially lucrative pathway to financial success. In today's business landscape, numerous industries and companies, ranging from solar energy providers to marketing agencies and software enterprises, heavily rely on sales professionals to represent their products and services to potential clients. What sets high-ticket closing apart from traditional sales roles is the focus on the most significant and often high-value deals in the business world. So, what does it mean to be a high-ticket closer? It involves engaging with enterprise-level clients, often handling complex sales cycles and mastering the art of showcasing the value of premium products or services. As a high-ticket closer, your role extends beyond just closing deals. You become an educator, a trusted advisor who helps prospects understand how a particular solution can address their unique needs and challenges. The compensation in this field is particularly enticing, as you can earn substantial commissions for successfully closing high-value deals. The allure of high-ticket closing is further enhanced by the ability to conduct business from virtually anywhere in the world, thanks to the convenience of remote work. However, it's essential to be aware that while the opportunity is global, certain geographic limitations may apply depending on the companies and industries you choose to work with. As the digital economy continues to evolve, high-ticket closing remains a sought-after skill set, with the demand for persuasive, informed closers only increasing. So, if you believe in your ability to sell and possess the determination to excel in this field, the world of high-ticket closing beckons. A place where you can leverage your talents to secure substantial income while helping businesses and clients achieve their goals. Next good way to earn money is freelance writing services. Freelance writing offers diverse opportunities from blog posts to social media content, meeting the needs of websites and businesses. It's a high-demand skill, potentially leading to a substantial income in today's digital age, thanks to the emphasis on online marketing. Companies value engaging content to attract and convert the audience, making freelance writers indispensable. While the journey may be challenging, persistence and top-notch work are keys to success. Start by selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and build your portfolio with 10 to 15 articles. Join freelance websites and job boards to find clients and assignments. In the world of freelance writing, there's a lucrative branch called copywriting. Copywriters excel at creating persuasive sales content, often earning higher incomes due to their ability to drive revenue for businesses. So, whether you are crafting compelling stories or persuasive sales pitches, freelance writing offers a pathway to income and professional growth. Third way is to create a personal brand. In the bustling world of social media, where everyone's vying for attention, your personal brand can be a powerful tool not only for building connections, but also for generating income. Your personal brand is essentially your digital identity, a unique blend of your values, interests, expertise, and personality traits. It sets you apart in the crowded digital landscape and creates a lasting impression with your target audience. The key to unlocking income potential through your personal brand lies in authenticity. While While social media often features polished and curated content, authenticity stands out as a beacon of trust. When you present your genuine self to your audience, you become not just relatable but trustworthy. People connect with authenticity because it's a refreshing departure from the often scripted and contrived content that saturates social media. By sharing your true passions, real experiences, and honest thoughts, you invite your audience into a deeper and more meaningful relationship. They see you as a person, not just a content creator, which fosters a sense of community and loyalty among your followers. Next way we are going to talk is to open custom pins shop. Commencing an online business venture holds undeniable potential for rapid income generation, and among the current trending options is the establishment of an online custom pin store. To embark on this exciting journey, consider these steps to kickstart your online pins business. Select an e-commerce platform. Choose a reputable and well-established e-commerce platform. Define your target audience. Understanding your potential customers' preferences and needs is paramount to your business's success. Pinpoint high-profit pins. Research and choose pins that resonate with your target audience and offer lucrative returns. Collaborating with a seasoned supplier is a wise move in this venture. GSJJ boasts over 2 decades of experience in crafting custom pins. They offer a diverse range of pin types, including enamel pins, printing pins, offset printed pins, sandblast pins, 3D or cutout pins, antique pins, and more. This expertise ensures a reliable source for your custom pin inventory, setting you on the path to a successful online business. Fifth way is to leverage web development and AI. Venturing in the world of web development and integrating artificial intelligence can be a transformative journey, although it may not unfold overnight. The potential rewards are substantial. Web developers skilled in harnessing AI capabilities are in high demand, and their services command premium hourly rates. As we step into 2023 and beyond, the utilization of AI in web development is becoming increasingly prevalent, making it a lucrative niche to explore. To embark on this exciting path, you can begin by accessing tutorials on AI-powered web development through platforms like Skillshare, Pluralsight, Udemy, or Lynda. While mastering AI in web development may take some time, the investment is well worth it given the promising future of this field. Once you've fortified your proficiency in AI-driven web development, you can broaden your horizons by tapping into freelance websites and web development job boards. These platforms present a multitude of opportunities, from AI-enhanced web projects to collaborations with businesses seeking innovative solutions. This strategic fusion of web development and AI expertise positions you for a successful web development business in the dynamic landscape of the digital age. Sixth way is to establish a consulting business. Are you armed with a valuable expertise or a specialized skill that could be a game changer for local businesses looking to thrive and expand? Regardless of your field or industry, if you believe your knowledge can significantly impact and elevate someone else's business, you possess a golden opportunity to launch your very own consulting business. Consulting is about leveraging your expertise to help companies identify and overcome weaknesses. Imagine this: if you excel in interior design, you can offer concise, insightful consulting sessions to boost business growth. Or, if you are a financial whiz with insights into cryptocurrency investments, guide entrepreneurs to navigate legitimate platforms like the Bitcoin method for profitable opportunities. Consulting is a red-hot trend with a bright future, offering promising opportunities for knowledgeable individuals. If I managed to spark some interesting ideas so far and you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to help me produce more valuable content for you guys. And last but not least is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands as a testament to enduring power of digital commerce. It's a dynamic approach that empowers individuals to promote a company's offerings and, in return, earn commissions for every successful sale generated through their referral. What's truly remarkable is that, when executed correctly, affiliate marketing continues to prove its effectiveness in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. The versatility of this strategy is one of its defining strengths. It seamlessly spans across various platforms, allowing affiliate marketers to harness their creativity and expertise on blogs, social media channels, email marketing campaigns, and more. The key to achieving lasting success in the realm of affiliate marketing lies in the art of product selection and audience engagement. engagement. Choosing the right products to endorse is akin to laying a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing journey. You need to carefully curate a portfolio of products or services that align with your audience's interests, needs, and preferences. This alignment not only enhances your credibility, but also significantly boosts your chances of driving conversions. Moreover, the heart of affiliate marketing success beats within the realm of audience cultivation. Building and nurturing an engaged audience is the backbone of this strategy. Your audience is not just a group of passive observers, but a community that trusts your recommendations and insights. Through consistent, valuable content and personalized engagement, you can forge strong bonds with your audience, encouraging them to explore and purchase the products or services you endorse. Thanks for watching.